Hello guys, so today I got a chance to get my hands on Kia Cerato. It is my first time that I am driving any of the Kia's car. Let's see. Kia Cerato 2020. Okay, it's I have driven it for like 40 to 50 kilometers right now. The cabin is really quiet, it's really comfortable. I was not expecting the same because when I was driving, when I had an experience with Elantra to 2020, it was noisy and the road grip was not that much good. So I was expecting the same. Here we go. It has nice interior. Just a quick look. So it's 1 minute. It's got sports mode, more mainly I call it manual mode because the engine behavior doesn't change. So this was a quick short intro, and let's hit the top speed. I'm going to an abandoned road, so I will be testing from 0 to top speed, plus then I will brake from the top speed to almost stopping position. Then I will try the sports mode or the manual mode, and again I will test the braking from top speed to the halt. So just wait. Here we are. I'm gonna reset the kilometers to 0 so we can check that how much time and kilometers will it take to reach the top speed. So now it's manual mode. Let's see. Okay, game on. So I gave it a shot for like 5 kilometers. It hardly reached like 201 or 2. and I will make a U-turn, and then I'll go for the sports mode. Okay, sports mode. No changes in the RPM. I think it's a bit faster. Seems like. That's a good try. Good braking. Not that much good, but it's okay. Good. I hope you guys enjoyed it. One more thing I wanted to share with you guys is that how fuel efficient this car is. Okay, it's 120, right? And I will reset the fuel average, and you guys can see that how less it consumes the fuel. This is the speed limit usually we drive in, and 120 cruise control. Okay, what happened? Sorry. Set 120, 118, 119, and 120. Exactly. I will reset the fuel economy and just check that how fuel efficient this one is. It will consume around 4.7 or it's more, 5.8. It's more. Still 5.8, 5.7. It was 5, but I don't know why it's 5.7 now. Maybe I'm going uphill or something. Maybe the air friction, the wind is blowing on the other side. So it's 5.7 liters per 100 kilometers. It will be around 18 point something kilometers in 1 liter, which is pretty good, which is really good. Okay, thank you for watching. Take care.